today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, I have to say Bitcoin is doing something we all want Bitcoin to do. Bitcoin is breaking down right now from this triangle I was talking about earlier. Unfortunately, Bitcoin is breaking the horizontal support towards the downside, and the question is, what is the price target? Where is this finally going to end? When is this dump finally going to be over? And some of you might be asking, what is happening to your trade right now? You know that I had a long trade open, already raking in like 80,000-90,000 US dollars in a profit at the peak. What am I going to do with that, and what is going to happen to Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? We are going to talk about that. Thank you so much for watching in good times and bad times. Thank you so much for liking in good times and bad times. And now let's talk about what's going on for Bitcoin. I can tell you, it's not very joyful if you are a Bitcoin bull. This is something I can definitely promise you. And what you can see here, I have a crazy thing to talk about as well. Also, actually, some small hope on the horizon. But first of all, let's talk about this here. So we are getting this breakdown, right? And the problem is Bitcoin broke down, confirmed the breakdown, and is breaking lower right now. The price target of this breakdown is... Oh, I have to actually... go down a little bit. It's not even in the frame. The price target of this Bitcoin breakdown is 26,800 US dollars. Going over to my trade, actually you can see this one is right now in a loss, right? My liquidation price at 25,400, but if Bitcoin is breaking lower here, reaching this price target and reversing, that would be fine. But if we are wicking significantly below that, yes, then my trade is going to be stopped out. And this is a risk I'm always taking when I'm opening trades. I am going to keep this one open. I wouldn't recommend it for you if you can't afford to lose the money, of course. But my entry price at 27 was, of course, a great one. And then I scaled it higher, which leads me now being slightly underwater on this trade. I am going to keep it open. I will update you over on Twitter. The price target here would not put my trade in danger. This current price target would not put my trade in danger. But something much more important, of course, Bitcoin is breaking down. Short term is not looking good. What if I told you that if we are going here on the weekly candles, let me go over to the weekly candles, and I am pulling out this small little indicator here on the bottom. Let me show you this. This is the weekly candles, right? There's one indicator. If you are following this channel for like 1 or 2 years, you know this one already. Just a second, I'm pulling this one up. It is called the Bitcoin hash ribbon. And you might ask, what the heck is this? Well, let me go over. It is showing you actually whenever the miners are capitulating. It's not showing anything of the price, but when the price goes down or goes sideways, of course, usually miners losing profitability, they are shutting down their mining equipment and the hash rate is going down. Historically speaking, whenever we are seeing a capitulation, and let me go over here, this red diamond, you can see it on the bottom right side. This diamond is flashing, was flashing yesterday, actually, not today, it was flashing yesterday. This minus capitulation usually means there is going to be a buy signal soon. In fact, if you bought the buy signal, every single one in the past, your maximum drawdown was somewhat between 3%, 5%, 7%. You can see it on the left-hand side, but the maximum gain to peak is averaging actually 5,300%. So meaning, if you bought the buy signals, each and every one of them, you can see them right here. When the hash rate is recovering, you got an average gain to peak of 5,300%. And yes, this buy signal didn't flash yet, but we already saw the capitulation. And if you go back here in time, you can see that the buy signal is usually coming in between, let me go back here, 3 to 4 weeks, sometimes 1 week, sometimes 3, sometimes 4, most of the times 3 to 4 weeks after the miners capitulation. Miners capitulation happened yesterday. That means we can expect a buy signal, an historical buy signal for Bitcoin within 3 to 4 weeks. So if you want instant relief, if you want a pump today, of course, this video is not made for you. But if you trust historical confidence, if you are trusting the indicators like RSI, hash ribbons, this is a bullish sign, not for the short term. For the short term, actually, we are seeing that it's possible that even my trade is going to get wiped out here, right? Not saying that it's going to happen. If I would be certain about that, I would close it. But mid and long run, this is an historical indicator, and this is one which was flashing 11 times in 11 years, and every single time it was flashing, the capitulation was flashing, within 2-3 maximum 4 weeks we got the relief, we got the buy signal on the hash ribbons, and this is truly a very beautiful thing. And yeah, I can't wait for this one to come, because honestly I'm really getting tired of what's happening in the market. And actually you can let me know in the comment section down below if you are getting tired of that as well. I finally want to put in a beautiful long trade and ride it all the way up to 200,000 US dollars. Let me know in the comment section what you think about that. Definitely, if you're watching this right now, be very careful with trading, be very careful with opening any positions, long or short. Of course, if you want to get ready already, you get, as always, in the pinned comment, all the bonuses for free. Just choose your link, choose your favorite exchange. With my links in the pinned comment, you get these free bonuses after your initial deposit. But be careful right now. What I would do is put the bonus on the sidelines and wait until the time comes. Wouldn't open it quite yet when we are just breaking down. It's too late for a short, and it's too late for, it's not the right time for a long position, for opening a new long position just right now. I will update you very soon. Thank you so much for liking, regardless, no matter where the price is. I truly appreciate you. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.